In this video, we're going to be looking at the new domain name finder tool on Kwestify. So this is a great tool to use if you need help finding an available domain name for your new website. So let's go ahead and tick this option, and we're going to give it a campaign name. We'll just go ahead and continue with gardening. So let me copy this, and we'll also use that for our main niche. And for the limit, this also uses GPT-4, so credits are a little more for this one. I normally don't do 100 because if I just do 50, I can usually find a really good domain name or even several that I can use. So for this one, I'm going to leave it 50 and click on create. It brings us back to our campaign menu, and you can see here gardening for a domain name finder is on queue. So let's give it a couple minutes and we'll see what it found for us. After about a minute, it shows here that it's complete. So let's go ahead and jump in here, scroll down, and we can see this list of ideas of .com domain names it found for us. Now, why .com? Well, it's just because what most people are familiar with. And in my opinion, they seem to rank better than any of the other extensions, although there has been a lot of debate about that. Now, in order to check these and see if they're actually available, you can tick the ones you like, or even all of them, and then click on Check Domains. And this is going to take you over to Namecheap. This is not an affiliate link, so even if you decide to buy your domain name from Namecheap, we don't get anything from it. But you can see here it automatically bulk checks these domain names for free for you on Namecheap. And you can see here that 2 of these are available. And if we did want to purchase one, all we'd have to do is add it to our cart and purchase directly through Namecheap. You can use these domains for building out new websites, or you can even use them to 301 redirect affiliate links, which makes them look a lot more legit and people's going to click on them more. So for example, if you're promoting a gardening product and instead of using some really long, ugly affiliate link, you could purchase a link like this here and then set it up as a 301 redirect and just add in your affiliate link. So if a visitor clicks on one of these links, it'll automatically redirect them through your affiliate link. And that's all there is to using the domain name finder tool of Kwestify.